Come in, Mita. Student A, first take your seat. Student B, take your seat as well. Both of you, welcome to your ASL room. The next two students from Science faculty. Today, as you know, we are conducting ASL speaking activity for 2020 and 21. Student A, first of all, you will be giving your self-introduction first. Student A, give your self-introduction.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Nitya Tripathi. I am the student of class 11th Maths from the Martha Ram Jyoti Senior Secondary School, Singapore. Today, I am going to give a short speech on topic Indian goods are pride.
Mention your topic. What is your topic? Speak on that particular topic.
So, my topic of speech is Indian goods are pride. I repeat, Indian goods are our pride. As we all know, we are facing a critical situation of a pandemic this year. Because of this pandemic, we have a proper lockdown in our country. Because of this lockdown, industries, colleges, schools, factories, share markets, hospitals all had been closed, and because of this, Indian products are also can't put in the market, and our national economy, our overall economy has also been collapsed. Because of this, all we have faced many situations which had created many problems in our country. And we know that this is only because of China, because we have this problem because of China from Wuhan. That's why our Indian government had decided to boycott all the Chinese products. But it is not possible, as we are heavily dependent on the Chinese products, and we are importing a large amount of products in our country. That's why government said Confederation of All India Traders had decided to boycott 3,000 Chinese products over our country. This program is a national campaign which is started in 10 June 2020. According to this, government decided to ban 30,000 products from the China, and also make that from over 1 crore products should be banned over December 2021. It is a major initiative and important effect. It is also helpful for the Prime Minister called Locals for Vocal. So because of this, we get a chance to boost our economy and to put our products in the market, so we can decrease our dependence on the China. So I am going to end my speech.
Okay, fine, Mita. On the basis of your speech, I will be putting down some questions before you on your topic, on what topic you have spoken. Now see, during the pandemic situation, not only in India, but in the whole world, the economy of the world has gone down. Okay, not only in India, but in the whole world, in the pandemic situation, that means the economy of the world has gone down. Okay, now what we are facing, still now also, we are seeing the economy of the world has gone down, and how that could be managed into equilibrium. That means we can bring it into balance. That means we are trying that, and much efforts are required. Okay. That means what is your opinion? That means what views you can suggest to balance our economy.
Sir, according to me, we can reduce the import from the Chinese products and from other countries also. And by this, we can also put our products in the market, so we can make ourselves independent, and we can reduce the dependency of our country from the other countries also.
Now see, boycotting the Chinese product, that is another thing. It's okay, because we are seeing that the China is doing infiltration in our area. Okay, that's why we have boycotted the Chinese product. Okay, do you think that government has taken the right step to boycott the Chinese product, because many of our people also employed over there and they have lost their jobs due to that. Okay. And they have become unemployed. Okay. They have turned out from their jobs. Okay. What is your opinion? What views you can suggest regarding this?
So according to me, some people are unemployed. So we cannot boycott all the Chinese products, but we can reduce the import from the Chinese products, and we can also promote vocal for vocal and Atmanirbhar Bharat. So our India can also increase our economy, or can also boost our economy. So the people who are not employed, they can also get a job.
Now, student B, give your self introduction first. Student B.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Ojasvi Srivastava from class 11 biology, and I am the student of Mahatma Gandhi Senior Secondary School, Singapore.
What is the topic of your speech? Speak on that particular topic.
My topic of today's speech is e-book versus books. I repeat, e-books versus books. So we know that e-books and books both are very effective and useful for the study material. And rather than effectiveness, I prefer that the paper books are more effective and precise than electronic books. And electronic books are more accurate and are more convenient and easily to find out everywhere, because nowadays all of us are using technology and preferring the e-books. E-books are more cheaper and more easily to find out from everywhere from the website. Some of the websites provide free e-books which are cheaper and are with no cost, and everybody can purchase them and read the material from e-books. Rather than e-books, the paper books, which are also known as traditional books or old books, are more effective because they can develop our personality, the speaking, reading skills and all. The e-books, the
Okay.
can
Okay. Continue. It doesn't matter. Continue. Anything you can say about e-books?
so may I repeat from
You can repeat also. Doesn't matter.
e-books are more effective because they are cheaper and convenient. Many people and many readers are preferring e-books because of the technology purpose, because all are using technology and they are more convenient. Traditional books are more effective because they enrich our personality development, and are more effective. The student or reader can learn or take more seriously than the e-books, because when we start learning from e-books, we get distracted and we can open any other operations or functions in the device, and we are distracted from the thing we are reading. And the e-books are effective because we can adjust the eye straining or lightening process so that our eye can't get strained, and it's up to the reader to choose ebook or paper book. They can choose by their comfortness and all.
Now see, on the basis of this speech, I will bring down some questions before you. Answer to the first question: what are the advantages of e-books? E-books means what? Electronic books. E-books means electronic books. Nowadays, it's a digital time for the whole world. What we have faced in the pandemic situation of COVID-19. Due to that, all over the world, that means the students have become quite eligible towards digital learning. Okay. Now, digital learning has become quite advanced in the world now. Okay. It has become quite advanced in the world now. My question is that means do you really think that in India, if we talk about India, that means our library should be well equipped with digital learnings and all? What is your opinion about that?
So digital learning is effective, but not that much of traditional books because so ebook we read from ebook from this pandemics. We have so read it from all the ebooks, but that's not that effective. We didn't get the concept which are explained in the traditional book as compared to ebook. So ebook can be there in a library, but traditional books also be there, and in more amount traditional books should be there for the effectiveness of our studying and for personality development and for understanding purpose.
Answering the next questions would be, what views you can suggest? That means for improvement regarding, that means traditional books, regarding traditional books or regarding e-books. What are your views that you can suggest for the betterment, for the improvement?
So for improvement of ebooks, I can suggest that so when we are using ebooks, we can use a single book at a time, which is not that effective because using one book at a time, if we want some other material, so we can't go to the next and skip this book. So for adding some more sites and so we can use multiple books at a time, that can be done for improvement of ebooks. And for traditional books, the explanation and concept should more accurate so that the person could get that easily. The words which by which the book has been explained should more accurate, and so by reading only we can get everything.
Now both of you can cross question each other. Okay. First of all, student A will be putting question for student B.
According to you, what is more effective, ebook or books?
According to me, books are more effective because they are the complete pages of information, and we can get everything from that. And yeah, for me, the books are more effective than ebooks.
Now student B can put a question for student A.
How you can increase the economy of India without boycotting that Chinese products and other products which are coming from countries?
Actually, it is not a matter about boycotting, but we can reduce the products from the other countries, and we can increase our products, and we can manufacture our products for our country to make our India self-dependent. And that's why I think for manufactured Indian products would increase the Indian economy and boost our national economy.
Now see, the last task comes the problem solving task. Okay. So I will be giving you the prompt under task 2. So anybody of you could read that prompt louder and answer the question. The student A will be answering the first question and you will be answering the second question. This is the first dotted one, this is the second dotted one. Okay. So anybody of you could read the prompt louder in the mic so that the other students could also understand.
Your friend would not get selected to represent the school at the group annual dance competition. She has become with all the other dance participants and the dance teacher. With your parents discuss what's the reason for this behavior could be. I repeat, your friend would not get selected to represent the school at the group annual dance competition. She has become with all the other dance participants and the dance teacher. Your question is what the reason for this behavior could be.
You answer that first one. What is the reason of that behavior? You have understood the problem?
Yes.
Answer the first question.
Well, according to me, actually, he or she has well prepared for the competition, or I think it gives her best to select in the competition. As because of many other reasons, or because of her because of her well performance, he or she is not selected in the competition. That's why he get disappointed because her hard work because of her hard work is getting praised. That's why he is becoming rude to others because because he or she is becoming disappointed by seeing her failure.
Do you answer the second?
My question is how you could help her resolve this issue. So, for resolving this issue, I can explain her that this competition is on not only the success or anything of your life. You can do harder to be selected and represent more efficiently with other programs. So, don't be disappointed, and there will be more chances for in your life to represent yourself, and you can prove in that competition or program that you are the best or you can do anything.
Thank you very much, both of you. Wait till your names are noted down.